Okay, now we will again revise what is this precaudal plate and what is not and how the notochord is formed. As you can see, I have cut this structure into three parts. It's just like we had read about this thing. I have cut it like this, and now I am looking at this from here. Okay, I am showing this part. Okay, this structure. So as we can see, this is the epiblast cells migrating here, becoming flask shaped. Okay, and gradually forming the three layers, that is ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. This mesoderm later on it extends cranially as well as goes extends laterally as well as grows cranially also. But during that time, here is the primitive node and primitive pit. Some epiblast cells, they invaginate through here also, and they form gradually notochord. Okay, and this notochord, it stops at a point, that is precaudal plate, which is formed by the thickening of endodermal cells. Clear? And on the cranial end of this precaudal plate, there is oropharyngeal or the buccopharyngeal membrane. Okay. Now, this precaudal plate, this is responsible for induction of forebrain, and it lies between the tip of notochord and the oropharyngeal membrane. Okay, and initially what happens is that this notochord, this is like a hollow tube, because it has only it is hollow inside, but later on it its floor, it merges with the hypoblast cells below. Okay, or it merges below with the this hypoblast cells, because before while this is forming, mesoderm has not reached yet here. Okay, because by the time germ layers are forming here, the epiblast is invaginating here also, and that time here although only the epiblast and hypoblast cells are there. But when it earlier it merges, but when it again it reconstitutes itself and forms a solid rod, which is again made up of epiblast cells only. Okay. So this notochord, it extends from primitive pit to precaudal plate. Okay, and one more thing, at the region of primitive pit during invagination, a canal forms. Okay, here this is the primitive pit. Here a canal forms, which is in between which there is a this is neuroenteric canal, which is a communication between the amniotic cavity and the definitive yolk sac. Okay, but it is very temporarily it is present very temporarily, just for one day, so it has not that much relevance. Okay, you just have to remember this thing, that how the precaudal plate is made up of, or what is the precaudal plate exactly. Okay, and what is oropharyngeal membrane. Clear?